So whenever your guitar tears up, who you gonna call? Alright folks, well welcome back to another major unboxing. Major Madness unboxing. Check it out. A couple of boxes here. And one of them, not one of these, but a third one, I've been waiting on for a year, and I'm really excited about it. We talked about it a year ago, and I'll tell you about it when we get to it, but I've been waiting on that package, hoping that it would find its way here. And it took it a year, but it finally did. It's here now. It came today. Actually, no, it came yesterday. Alright. What do we have here? Major unboxing. Lots of goodies. Put that back up or I'll hurt myself. And this is from Amazon, by the way. I hope there's a love letter in here because it doesn't say where it's from on the box. Buffing wheels. 4-inch buffing wheels. I get to looking to stuff, man, I forget to show you guys. I think they're both the same thing. Yeah. Well, cool. Oh, yeah, check this out. 4 different kinds of buffing compound. Man, that's heavy, too. Black emery, brown tripoli, I guess how you pronounce that, white diamond, and red rose. 4-piece polishing compound kit. Very cool, man. And, oh, I know. This is vinyl tape. Nothing's supposed to stick to this. It's supposed to, like where that glue ran under the tape on one of the videos that I was put super glue around the binding, and it ran under the tape. Well, this is going to cure that. Stop it from ever happening again. I don't know who sent it. That's all that's in the box, man. There's no love letter or anything marked on the box. 1 roll of that, buffing compound, and 2 wheels. Yeah, it's got the mounts in there too. I can mount that to my drill or mount it to a high-speed grinder or, you know, pretty much anything like that. Alright, package number 2. Whoever sent that, thank you. Let me know in the comments if you sent the stuff. Let me know so I can thank you for it, because I can really use that stuff. I may even get back into doing finish work again. I need to get another buffer and all that jazz. If I do get back into finish work again. I don't know how to get this open other than just to, because it appears there's no, I'm just going to cut it. Yeah, okay, I see it now. Alright, let's go this way with it. I'm like a kid at Christmas time, man. And I appreciate you guys that send me stuff. Thank you so much. I mean, you know, it's just overwhelming sometimes, the stuff that people send. You'd have to see it to believe it. Like this third package I was telling you about. Wait until you see what that is. I know what it is. I know who it's from. These two I don't know. I thought I cut that once already. Okay. Let me put this away so I don't hurt myself. Alright, I don't know if this says who it's from. It does, yeah. I remember your name. I remember you talking on Facebook about sending me something. I don't know what it is. He didn't tell me he just wanted to send me something, was all he said. So I have no clue in the world what we're about to unravel here. I wonder if there's a particular reason it's wrapped up. Here we go. Now I can see it. Wow. Check that out, man. 2-lead telescopic inspection mirror. I can sure use that. Thank you so much, man. You probably heard me complaining about this one enough. I got this one from StuMac. This is a way bigger one. That's going to be a 10 times better, 100 times better than this piece of tool here. That thing never did work. The one from StuMac never has worked right. Wow, I can sure use that. Thank you so much, dude. I don't know, I can't remember what we said about your name, if I can tell them your name or not. So I'm not going to, because a lot of people don't want their name given out to so many people, you know, for whatever reasons, and I respect that and I honor it too. Okay, I'm going to pause the camera just for a minute because the other box is big. Yes, it's a guitar. So it's the one I've been waiting for. Let me pause the camera, I'll bring you right back, clear some stuff up here. I'll move these over there somewhere and make more room for more stuff. Hold on. And we are back. Saved the biggest one for last. It's sitting right here in front of you all the whole time. Just out of frame. I got to make sure I don't give this guy's info out. This package came all the way across the big pond. And I'll just go ahead and tell you the guy, y'all have heard me mention this guy before. He goes by the handle of Tall Thin Kev. He's got a YouTube channel. And I'd like for you to go check him out. He does guitar related stuff and just all kinds of goodies going on his channel. You might like him. So I would recommend you go check his channel out. Tell him you stopped in from the house. And tell him I said thanks while you're there. I can't believe he sent this, man. I just can't believe it's here. More toys. Alright. Might have to, I don't know how we're going to go about this. Maybe it's not packed. It is packed pretty good. Looks like. Yeah, it's packed real good. Wow, can't believe he sent this, man. Okay. Leave the rest of it in there. Alright, I want to try this mirror too during this show. Alright, here we go. Point it toward you. Like a kid at Christmas time, man. There we go. Sure looks like it might be a guitar, don't it? Don't you fall. I hope it didn't get damaged or hurt on this trip here. He did a really nice job packing it, it looks like. I'll just set this over there and I'll deal with that later. We'll get on with this right now. Alright. It looks like a mummy, does it not? Oh man. Can't wait to get into it. Alright, let's just do this. I can pull the tape away easier like that, I think. So how you guys been doing, man? How are y'all? Hope everything's going in your favor, treating you right, and all that jazz. That always makes everything just a little bit better, don't it? You don't want to cut the quilt or whatever that is he's wrapped it in. Looks like a quilt or something. How did I miss? Okay, there we go. There we go. Here we go. I didn't know it had a case with it too. Just like a kid at Christmas time. It'll be good for right now. Alright. Something in here. Oh man. Hardware. Yes sir. Gold plated hardware. Let's leave this out and I'll show it to you. Alright, there's a zipper somewhere. Got to be. There we go. Yeah, you guys should check Kev's channel out, man. He's a cool guy. I mean, right here it says that he sent me stuff before. I've got a lot of stuff he sent me. Pickups and just all kinds of good stuff. Are you ready for this? Wow. Alright, here it comes. Check that out, man. Check that out. It needs some things, obviously. But, wow. I thought he was going to keep the pickups in it, but maybe not. I can't believe he sent it, man. I just cannot believe that he sent it. Switch is broken off there. That's not going to be a problem. That'll be an easy fix. The thing is just beautiful, man. Someone's marked blue on the frets like they were going to maybe level the frets. I can't tell. I don't think they did. I think they just maybe marked blue when it started to do it and then stopped. Alright, let me pick some stuff up here. Put some stuff away, and I will bring you over here and look at it. Hold on, I'm excited, man. I can barely contain myself. Wow, this is just blowing me away, man. Check that out. I'll just show you right on that. Looks like a tusk nut. I don't know if the camera will get that little bit of blue on those frets or not. I think I see it in the camera. What I was talking about. But look what a beauty, man. Like I said, it's got some issues. Needs some things like a switch here. I'll order a gold switch for that. I thought he said he was going to keep those pickups. He must have changed his mind. Look what a gorgeous guitar. Wow. Flop him over here if I can. Give you a shot of the back. There's what the back of it looks like. Just a beautiful, beautiful axe. For sure, man. It's so dark you can't hardly see it, man. There's a serial number. Made in the USA. Well, how in the world did it get clear over on the other side of the pond? If it was made here. Well, it's back here now. Again, I'm going to get some major surgery performed on it. Here's the bag of hardware. Got the tuning machine heads in there and a pick guard. Maybe something else. Not sure what that is. Let's just get it out and see. I just tore the bag. No, maybe not. Oh, I ripped the bag open. I don't know what this is. Oh, that's the bridge and the tailpiece and stuff. Yeah, I can see it through the paper there. Alright. I'm just going to leave that in there for right now. There's the pick guard, scratch plate. Beautiful looking tuning machine heads. Check that out. It looks like the entire guitar is here. Wow, it's heavy too. Yes, sir, man. This baby's going to get some major, major surgery. Some tender loving care. TLC. Kev showed this guitar on his channel. And he showed what was wrong with it. And I'm going to show you right now. See that? See that pulls up out of there, worked out. It's just starting to damage the finish a little bit there, but you might be able to save that finish. It feels like it's in there tight. That's it's cracked back here too. Yeah, I can feel it. It's pretty bad. That side's okay. Stupid camera won't focus, man. There you go. Yeah, that one's alright. This one looks okay. And that one looks okay. That one looks like it's countersunk down in there. I don't know if you're seeing that or not. Maybe they all are. And I'm just not seeing it. But that's the problem right there. Well, obviously it needs a new switch here too. But that's nothing. And this, I think I can work magic on that. And save that puppy. Wow, look what a beautiful axe, man. Just absolutely gorgeous. Yes, sir. Les Paul Custom. Back in the 70s, a friend of mine played in a band with me, had one that looked identical to this. And I played it. He let me play it in the band. And he got a hold of me on Facebook a while back. Said, "You remember this?" And had it hanging up. I said, "Yeah, man." He still got it. Alright. I'm going to put the camera back over on the tripod and try to settle down a little bit. I'm going to have to fix me a drink, I think. Hold on. Well, before we call it, I want to check this out too closer. Wow, this is awesome, man. My eyes are not very good anymore, and it's, you know, all the light and all the bigger the image is, the better it's going to be better for me. check that out, man. It's got two LEDs right there. Switch on the back. Right there's the switch back here. Two LEDs. I'm wondering if you have to... I don't think you have to twist it. Just pull it out. Telescopic. Wow, check that out. That's awesome, man. That is just totally awesome. I'll give you a look at yourself there. You always wondered what would happen if I did that. Leave it to me, man. And the head tilts too. It's very stiff on there to tilt, but just have to be easy with that. There's a little screw there. I might loosen that just a little bit because that's really very tight. I'm not going to move it anymore until I loosen that screw. I just heard it make a noise there. Wow, dude, thank you so much, man. I appreciate this, and it will get used big time. In fact, it'll be getting used here pretty soon. And it'll get used a lot. That does feel like it turns, but nothing happens when you turn it. We're going to loosen that screw so it'll swivel easier. Kev, thank you, man. And I don't know who to thank for the buffing stuff. Whoever you are, put in the comments if you sent that stuff. It looks like someone ordered it from Amazon and then had it shipped here. There's no love letter or anything, man. I don't know who sent it. I have no clue who that's from. But that stuff will get used. Thank you, whoever you are. Tell me in the comments if it was you, because I would like to know. I'll show you this one more time. Just check that beautiful axe out, man. Look at that. Wow. This thing's almost in mint condition, other than the work that it needs done on it. So you're definitely going to see this guitar again. We're going to build this thing, make it work, make it stage ready again. Kev, thank you. The other guy, I don't know if I can say his name or not, but thank you, man, so much for the mirror. And whoever sent the buffing compound, thanks. Check out Tall Thin Kev's guitar channel. I'll put a link down here below it, or maybe put an end screen, or even a card up here, or up there maybe. I'm kind of confused right now. Too excited, man. Thank you guys, every one of you that see me stuff, and thank all you that watch me open the stuff. I'm just speechless, man, and that's a rare occasion when it comes to me being speechless. Thanks, cheers, see you soon. It's so shiny, man. I just had to put the hardware on it temporarily and look at it. Just put it on and look at it. Wow. Man, I am excited about getting this baby in here. I'm going to go to work on it real soon, as soon as possible. So stay tuned. I'm not sure how we're going to get that out of there without really doing a lot more damage to the finish than what it is. See what I'm talking about? But I'll think about it in a few days and order a switch. And I got some other pickup covers. Strange enough, they're gold. Strange enough, the same guy, Tall Thin Kev, sent them to me. Their own pickups, actually. I'll have to ask him what kind of pickups these are. I think their hardware's in better, the gold looks better than these. I think. I'll have to get them out and look at them. Can't remember. Anyways, cheers, guys. Thank you all of you, for all the stuff, man, and the buffing stuff, and the mirror, and the tape, and buffing wheels, everything. Thank you so much for all of you. For all of you. Cheers. See you soon.